Is your productivity stopped because your app can't find the Visa32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Get the professional Visa32 fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This DLL file is the Virtual Instrument Software Architecture Library. It provides a standard API for communicating with test and measurement instruments, such as oscilloscopes, connected to a Windows PC. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The Visa32.dll is typically installed with hardware driver. Reinstalling the latest official version of hardware driver from the official source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the Visa32. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the Visa32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Replacing the Visa32 without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on the Visa32. If your workstation is back online and the Visa32 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.